Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my page, Money Making Juggernaut. I'm your host, Eric Richardson. Today, I have a great video in store. We are going to discuss Excess Elite. This is a great tool that not only I use, many of my students use this that have success when it comes to finding leads and operating your surplus funds business. Before we get into that, guys, go ahead and hit the like, hit the subscribe button. You guys know I'm coming out with content for you guys to give you tips and tricks, and this is one of the best tips that I can give you. Excess Elite is a website that offers all the research for you. I'm talking about leads and counties across the nation, fully skip trace leads, all the documents you need. It is the best tool to use in this business. If you are not using this, you are at a huge disadvantage. You're going to have to be using a pen and paper. You're probably running this business the old way, the incorrect way. All right. So this is Excess Elite's dashboard. All right. So here it shows there was 51 counties that were updated. They show you how often it was updated. And then they have their CRM here. Now, me personally, I have a different platform that I use my CRM. So I primarily use Excess Elite for its leads. All right, guys. So when I say that this is like the skeleton for surplus funds, this is going to give you all the leads, all the important links to the counties. This is going to help you out. So if you've been struggling to find leads, figure out where you can start, this is what you need, guys. You need Excess Elite. All right, so I just clicked on the reports tab, then Florida. It says Florida has 67 counties. All right, so we click on the listings, and this is a great thing about this. So they have all the counties listed here, alphabetically ordered. All right, we click on a county. Let's say we click on Duval. On Duval County, they're going to give you the important links that you need that is going to take you directly to their surplus funds information. So here it says surplus link. We click on this. Boom, that gives you information on tax deeds. And then they also give you another link right here. And then we just click on surplus funds. And then now, boom, we have the entire list of surplus funds right here. All right. They're giving you the links to the property appraiser where we can do research on the property, where you can do search on that property to get the important documents. You can get tax deed information. They even have a walkthrough video. Then this is where it's absolutely amazing for you guys. So they have tax sale and mortgage foreclosure leads. When we click on it, we can see here fully skip traded. They're going to give you surplus, the opening bid, the highest bid, the date it was sold, the case number, parcel number, property address. They're going to give you the owner's name. They're going to tell you if somebody is deceased. They give you the mailing address. They even give you other individuals' contact information. All right. So they have emails, they have phone numbers, they have relatives. This is literally everything you need to operate this business. Now, guys, the great thing about Excess Elite is all of this important information here. So if you find yourself doing surplus funds in Florida, for example, and you want to work on a county, now you can log into Excess Elite and go directly to that county instead of having, to Google, all right, Duval County surplus funds. And then now you have to constantly go back. You might forget important links. This is literally going to have everything organized for you. This is why I say this is the skeleton for this business. I mean, like all of these counties have this information, all the important information that you need. We click on surplus link. Boom, we're taken right here to directly to the surplus list for that county. This is absolutely amazing, guys. And we have the leads fully skip trace. If you want to export that into your CRM, you can do so there. You can get the full page view. I mean, this is amazing. And that was just Florida, all right? So they also have the Nation Report. Nation Report has multiple states, guys. So if you're somebody and you're like, look, I want to run this business, but I want to do other states, they're literally giving you other states. And this is fully skip trace leads. All right, we click on Arizona. Let's click on Arizona. We click on Pinal County. They have the excess funds list. It's going to take you directly to their list, directly to their website that will give you the list. And then also they have where you can perform search on the properties, on the surplus. They have the leads right here, fully skip trace. They're giving you the phone numbers. I mean, this is amazing, guys. Let's see what other states they have. So they have Arizona, Arkansas, California, Georgia, Delaware, Connecticut. Look, I mean, there's multiple states here. I mean, we click on Pennsylvania. Let's see. We click. I mean, this is, guys, this is the skeleton. This is what you need. If you find yourself without knowing where to find leads, This is literally giving you the leads. It's taking you directly to the leads, guys. Taking you directly to the leads. And it's fully skip trace. And this is where it gets even better. If we go over to the guides tab, they have the filing instructions. They tell you the steps on filing a claim and have all the documents there. All right. So this site right here is exactly what you need. Now, if you want to use the CRM, we'll go ahead and run through it right here. So we go use the CRM. You can put the full name. You can put the email, the surplus amount, the phone number, lead status. Okay, we have paperwork. Maybe you got them to agree to terms. You sent off paperwork. You have a claim submitted. You have closed. You know, we have tax overage, mortgage, foreclosure. You can add some notes. You can attach documents. You can stay organized. So guys, if you want to really operate your business to the next level, check out XS Elite, guys. Use promo code Prestige30 off. Okay, Prestige, look at it right here, guys. Prestige30 off. You will receive a 7-day free trial and 30% off. Make sure you guys use that. I'm an affiliate with this company. It is what I use. It's how I operate. I do not use pen and paper. Haven't used that since the first day I started. Making an Excel spreadsheet is good, but this is what you need. And the business expense is worth it. So the Florida Reports is $150 a month. You use the 30% off, you're getting that for much cheaper, and then the Nation Reports is $300. You need business expenses anyway. If you're operating this business and you're making profit, you need business expenses. You're sending mailers, notaries, leads, skip tracing. You need business expenses. Guys, do not hassle yourself with research. This is going to cut down on your research. Take advantage now. It's going to be a great time, guys. Surplus funds is where it's at. 2023, 2024, 2020, whatever. This business is going absolutely nowhere. Check it out.